What is a joint? A joint is where two bones meet. It's meant to be the perfect match. Though the interactions with the associated surrounding structures, such as ligaments and tendons, will determine how perfect this joint can be. Ligaments are strong elastic bands of connective tissue that surrounds the joints to support and limit movement, whereas tendons are tough connective tissue attaching the muscles to the bones in order to allow them to move. Add to the mix the bones themselves, bringing their own ingredients such as blood, fluid and cushions for the purpose of weight bearing, then there's a lot to contend with. Now, what makes the perfect joint? Simply put, balance. Balance makes a perfect joint. An understanding of stability and movement where and whenever it is required. The ability to manage your environment efficiently without failing. However, for balance to be achieved, a joint needs to be trained. It needs repeated action. It needs to be nurtured. It needs strength. It needs flexibility. It needs stability. Like a child learning how to walk, it first needs to learn how to crawl and then balance in order to walk. Unless you're aware of it, your day-to-day environment lacks the variation required to train your joints to be balanced. If we train our joints, for example, to take weight but not to move, it will learn just that until one day when we decide that we want to move. This is where the understanding of your joint health, its integrity and dexterity in performing a task, any given task for that matter, is essential. If you know this and act on any limitations, you'll be okay.